Hi everyone. The Coupon Codes element in EComposer helps you display discount codes clearly on your page and allows customers to copy them with just one click. This improves the shopping experience by making discounts easy to notice and use, with no need for customers to remember or manually type coupon codes. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin. From the left menu, click on Discounts, then select Create Discount. Shopify will ask you to choose a discount type. Select Amount Off Products. Under Method, choose Discount Code so customers can enter a code at checkout.
Now, enter your discount code. For example, HULALED10. In the Discount Value section, select Percentage and enter 10%. Under Applies to, select Specific Products, so the discount only applies to selected items. Click Browse, then choose the products you want to discount. If needed, you can also set conditions, usage limits, or an active date range. Once everything is set, click Save.
Now that your discount codes are ready, let's move to EComposer. First, open your product page in the EComposer editor. From the left panel, search for coupon codes and drag the element into your product layout. Once the coupon list is added, click on it to start customizing the content. In the Content section, you can manage and edit all coupon information shown on the product page. Here, you can customize the sale value badge, such as the discount value displayed for each coupon. You can also edit the label text, update the coupon code, and change the copy button name to match your store's tone or language. If you want to add more coupon offers, simply click Add Item to create a new coupon entry. You can also clone an existing coupon to save time, or delete any coupon that you no longer need. This gives you full control over your coupon content before styling it visually. Once your content is ready, we can move on to the Design tab to customize the appearance.
First, in the General section, you can adjust the spacing between items. This helps control how close or far apart each coupon item appears. Next, the Item option allows you to customize the overall item layout. For example, here you can edit the border style to better highlight each coupon. With Sale Value Badge, you can control the badge width, adjust content alignment, customize the text style, and change the background color to match your design. Moving on to Item Body, this option lets you change the background color of the main content area inside each coupon item. In the Label settings, you can align the text to the left, center, or right, customize the typography, and change the text color for the coupon description. The Coupon Code option allows you to style the coupon code text and adjust its color for better visibility. With Button Area, you can control the size of the button container to ensure proper spacing. In the Button section, you can customize the button width, height, and background color to match your brand's style. Finally, the Decoration option lets you adjust the size of decorative elements, adding the final touch to your coupon design. After finishing all customizations, click Save and then Publish to apply the changes to your live store. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips, tutorials, and product updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.